Welcome back to the Alluring Bee Boutique channel. My name is Katrina, and in this video, part 4 of my product review for BeebeeCraft.com, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick review on the Pandahall Elite 12-0 Seed Bead Assortment Pack that I got from those folks at BeebeeCraft. And the product ID number is Seed-PH 0007-03. One set, 12 colors of 12 O's. These cost $11.89, and they are size 12-0 round seed beads. So let's go ahead and I'm going to open the pack up, and we're going to take a look at these beads and see what we think about the quality. So first up, I got to say, I love how these are packaged. Each individual color comes in its own little resealable container. It's like this. I think that's a fantastic packaging idea. Saves you from having to, hunt baggies or try to figure out how you're going to store your beads. So let's take a look at what we got. We've got 12 different colors, all with the AB finish. We'll start with this little color here, which is a beautiful... It's almost like an orangish red or cherry red with the AB finish. And they're really pretty. Now, I've seen this color before in some Chinese seed beads that I have gotten from somewhere else a long time ago. And I gotta say, the quality of those beads was not much to write home about. They're sitting in a hat box under my bed at this very moment. Not that you can't use them for certain things, because, sometimes seed beads that are not so great quality make for some really great organic beadwork. But we're going to take a look at what we got here. I've just dumped out a small pile, and I'm going to pick up several of these beads from different places in the pile so we can get a random selection onto our beading needle, and we'll take a look at what we've got. Alright, so first up with these beautiful beads here, let me see if I can adjust my light. When you get them onto your needle, I want you guys to look at the uniformity of these seed beads. Already, I am super impressed. They're beautifully round. They're all the same shape. There's no really weird odd men out. They look uniform in size and color and finish. So they look really, really pretty. Each one of these tubs, I'm going to dump one out just to show you guys how much is in each one of these. And I swear it's got to be close to 20 grams, maybe even a little bit more. But those would definitely fill up a 20-gram tube that you get from some of the other bead stores. Some of them only give you like 7 grams. So overall, right off the top, I'm super impressed with this color. And I think they're just beautiful. I'm going to just randomly pick through and grab a bunch out of the bottom that I just dumped out. And put them up, a pile of them on my needle, and see what we get. And look, we got the same thing. We have beautiful, uniform, well-shaped, well-finished, gorgeous AB finished seed beads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clean this little mess I just made up. And we're going to check some of the other ones just to make sure that we've got this great quality all the way around. So next up, I dumped out some of these gorgeous topaz rainbows. And I know what this color is because I've bought them over at, I think it was AC Moore. But anyhow, they're really beautiful. They're like, remind me of hippie beads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up a bunch just from here and there all over the bead mat. And we're going to take a look at this, the uniformity of this color. And once again, I just took a random selection from all around that pile. And here we go. If you look closely, you can see that these beads are just beautiful. They are 12 O's, which I haven't done a lot of work with 12 O's, but I was really curious. That's why I ordered them, because I've had 11s and 15s, but we want to see what we can do with these 12s. But aren't those just beautiful? They're so uniform. I can't even get over it, guys. I am super impressed. Next up, I've got these beautiful lime rainbow finish They might even be called a peridot. But once again, if you take a quick look as I slide these beads along, you've got such a beautiful uniformity to them. These are the Pandahall Elites, folks. And I got to tell you, for the price, I am thrilled. I cannot wait to work with some of these beads. I like the colors. They're beautiful for summer, beautiful for fall and spring. We've got, I'm just going to basically go through some of the rest of these colors. Obviously, this was kind of a cherry red with the AB finish. This one is more of an orange or tangerine. One of my favorite colors, too, by the way. I'm not going to pick through every single one of these. Basically, I think what we're looking at is the same thing all the way around. Just gorgeous, uniform 12-0 seed beads in spectacular colors. Now, on the website, they have a variety of these variety packs you should check out and look into. I'm going to do several project videos with these beautiful items from BeebeeCraft. So there we go. We've got the orange, the red. Here's a gorgeous, beautiful lemony yellow with AB finish. I'll open the lid up so you can take a look. We'll just dump a few out. They're really pretty. And this is, once again, I picked yellow because I was looking for some beautiful yellows to work with. I've got some great ideas planned on the AlluringBeadBoutique.com that I want to incorporate some yellow into. So you guys stay tuned. There's going to be some fantastic videos coming really, really soon. I was off, I was down with my back for a couple of weeks. And then for Mother's Day, I was on vacation. Went to see my daughter. They took me to see Bryan Adams for Mother's Day. Had a great time. Spent a whole week with my 5-year-old grandson, Jack. Him and Grandma just had the best time. Now we got this gorgeous sapphire blue. Oops, I spilled a few. Sorry, guys. I'll clean those up in a minute. But look at these beautiful blue sapphire with that AB finish. Those are absolutely gorgeous. Well, since I spilled some, I'm going to go ahead and do a test run on these and just pick some up from all over the mat. Since I already got them all over my mat. We'll see what we got on the needle. And because I spilled them, it was really easy to do this. Alright, so once again, we're going to take a look as we slide them down. See how uniform and shaped those are? They're just beautiful. And I don't care what brand name of seed beads you buy. You have to kind of look at them as you work and call out any misshapen or odd shaped or, different size beads. Toho has them. Miyuki has them. These look great. They're right on par, if you ask me, to Miyuki round seed beads. So I also have this beautiful baby blue AB finish. Then we have like an emerald green. Ooh, that lid wasn't on very good, so let me tighten my lids up. So we have this darker green, almost like a grass green to me with the beautiful AB finish on there. Such pretty green colors we've got. Here's one that's like a pea green. Really super pretty with the AB finish on that. I really like that, and that would look really great with those yellow crystals that I showed you on one of the previous segments of this product review. And then finally we have this gorgeous midnight color. And it's a little bit lighter than I'm used to seeing on the midnight color, but I really like it. It's almost got like a lavender in there. It's very lavendery looking. Isn't that beautiful? I can't wait to work with these, you guys. I can see making some, these will look beautiful in peyote, square stitch, any kind of stitch that we can come up with. We're going to have a lot of fun with these beautiful Pandahall Elite seed beads from BeebeeCraft. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Watch for me to come back really soon and be doing some project tutorials with these beautiful 12-0 seed beads. And definitely with these gorgeous crystals that we've got. We'll try to incorporate some Montes into our project. And then with the flower beads, which were once again these beautiful flower cut beads, I'm going to do a separate tutorial from to mimic a pin I found on Pinterest. That's why I ordered these. It's actually a wire wrap, but it's very simple. And you guys just can work it out just as easily as I can. It's really simple and not hard to do. So we'll be doing one of those. All right, guys, so that is it for my series on the BeebeeCraft product review. I hope you guys found this interesting. I hope you've found some beautiful products. Go over and check out the website. The one final thing that I am going to do is I'm going to do just a little bit of a website, like a little bit of a website review. I'm going to go over there. I'll be able to just do it through screenshots. I'll capture how I poke around on there and some of the beautiful things that I found. They have the ability to add items to your love list. It's really neat. So we'll do a little portion on that. And then I'll put all of this together and bring it all to you guys on YouTube and over on the AlluringBeeBoutique.com. All right, folks, so that is it for now. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel so that you will be notified when all of these great tutorials are ready for you to check out. Have a great day.